Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani Coder, and in this series of videos, I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So, our today's challenge is the captain's room. Here, let me give you a brief about today's task. Mr. Anand is the manager at an infinite hotel. Now, this infinite hotel has infinite number of rooms. One day, a finite number of tourists come, and these tourists consist of one captain and other extra tourists. Now, the Mr. Anand has an unordered list of the tourists and the room number. So here we want to find the captain's room. So what is happened about they have a list of the room numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, and so on. And in one room there are more than one tourist, but there is only one tourist in the captain's room. Means there is only one captain. We have to find out the room number of the captain. Okay, so let's see our input format. The first line consists of k, means the size of the group, and the second line consists of the unordered element of the room number. Output format is the captain's room number. Here say in the sample input 5 means we have 5 groups. So you have 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, 4, 2, 5, 3, and so on. Here you can see only 8 number is appearing once. There is only one tourist in this room. That has to be our captain. So we have to print 8. See, in the sample output we can see 8. Okay, so let's code here. In the first line we have to k means the k. The length k means the size of the group. So in integer input. The second line we have to get another list. So let's take the lst is equals to list map integer comma input dot split. Okay, and now we want two sets. One where we will add the room numbers which are repeating more than once, and one set in which we have to just add the room numbers, unique room numbers. So s1 is equals to set, which will be our set for unique room numbers. So unique room numbers list another set s2, which will be our set for room numbers that appear more than once. Okay, so room number which appear more than once. Okay, so now we will iterate to the for loop. So for I in list. Now if our I in s1 means is already in s1, then we will just add it to s2, means it already appeared more than once. So s2 dot add I, else it hasn't appeared now, so we will add that in s1. So s1 dot add I. Okay, here now what will happen in after this for loop executes, in s1 we will have all the room numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in s2 we will have the room numbers which are appeared more than once, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we will get the difference, we will get a room number which haven't appeared more than once. Then means that room number will be a captain's room number. So we will print that out. Okay, so now we have to just go to print. Let's first save our answer in another variable. S is equals to s1 dot difference s2. Okay, and now just print s. Now let's run our code and see what we get. Here our sample test case 0 is successfully run. So let's submit our code. Here our all 10 cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share to your friends, and comment us down if you have any doubts or suggestions, and the link to the code is in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. Thank you.